Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Now, this is your EVS class. Okay? 2. I am fine, beta. How are you? You are 2 oak. Okay. So now 2 oak. No, Hridi. So now, in the last, all of you open your EVS book, page number 98. Okay? I am fine, beta. Good morning, all of you. And all of you open your EVS text book, page number 98. Okay? Page number 98. In the last classes, we have already completed up to question number A, question number B and question number C. Okay? Question number A, that is tick the correct word. I repeat again, our earth is round or square in shape. Aradha, here all is okay. You first cut the call and then rejoin, okay? So our earth is round in shape. And next, more than half or 1/3 of our earth is covered with water. That is, more than half of our earth is covered with water. Next, number 3, our earth has some or many beautiful landforms and water bodies. So our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. Lisa, you can first cut the call and then rejoin, okay? And number 4, we must keep our earth clean. And listen carefully, your PT2 syllabus, okay? I write down here your PT2 syllabus. That is, all of you write down or mark in your book your PT2 syllabus. Having fun and my neighborhood. Okay? Your PT2 syllabus, that is having fun and my neighborhood. 2 chapter, okay? Can you understand? Your PT2 syllabus, having fun and my neighborhood. Okay? All of you write down in your copy or mark in your book. Okay? And you can read properly. We have already completed this chapter, and then in the offline classes or other time we have revised this chapter. Okay? And you have read properly in your home from this chapter. Not my school, having fun and my neighborhood. Lisa, not my school. Your PT2 syllabus, not term 2 or PON. What 1 to 12 or PON? 1 to 12. Not 1 to 12, having fun, and only 2 chapter, having fun and my neighborhood. 11 and 12, chapter number 11 and chapter number 12, having fun and my neighborhood. These two chapters are in PT2 syllabus. Okay. Not one your schedule you can see in your notice board also. Okay. Your exam schedule you can see in your notice board also. Arpon, not 1 to 12, chapter number 11 and chapter number 12, having fun and my neighborhood. Okay, Lisa, completed your EVS project. Okay, when I will tell your submission date, then you will submit your EVS project. Okay, all of you complete this project, and when I will tell when the date of your submission date, then you will completed this topic. Okay. All of you turn off your camera. In Devapriya, turn off your camera. So next. All of you mute your microphone. So next, this chapter, the earth, okay, that I have discussed. Number D, rewrite the statements correctly. Page number 98. Page number 98. Okay, rewrite the statements correctly. That is number D1. Our earth is triangle in shape. Triangular in shape. Right answer. Which one is right answer? Our earth is triangular in shape. Rewrite the sentence correctly. Rewrite the sentence correctly. Okay, no problem, Devasmita. Rewrite, all of you, open your book, page number 98. Page number 98. Our earth is triangular in shape. Do it fast. Write down the answer in your chat box. Our earth is triangular in shape. Write down the statements correctly. Which answer? Our earth is round in shape. Okay, Kaushik, turn off your camera. Yes, very good, Osmi. Our earth is round in shape. Okay, our earth is round in shape. Okay, our earth is round in this shape. Very good, Arpon, Lisa, Indraksi, Devasmita, very good. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 5, 6 students. All of you write down in your chat box. Our earth is round in shape. All of you write down in your copy. Okay, this. Yes, Osmith, very good. Next, number 2. Yes, Aradha, very good. Our earth is round in shape. The earth is also called a green planet. Next, number 2. The earth is also called a green planet. Okay, next number 2 questions. Number 2. The earth is also called a green planet. So right answer, which answer is right? Our earth is also called a blue planet. Very good. Our earth is also called a blue planet, not green planet, because we have already known that more than half of the part is covered with water. So the earth is also called a blue planet. Okay. So the earth is also called a blue planet. Not green planet. Okay. Next, number 3. Yes. Next, number 3, that is, we must not take care of earth. We must not take care of earth. Rewrite the statement correctly. We must take care of earth. Very good. We must take care of earth. So number 3 question is, we must not take care of earth. Number 3. We must not take care of earth. So answer is, we must take care of earth. We must take care of earth. Okay. So number 4 completed. Number 3. Next, number 4. Do not plant trees. Do not plant trees. Next, number 4. That is, do not plant trees. Okay. So right answer, do more trees. Very good. Or plant more trees. Wasmit, very good. So next, do not plant trees. Answer is, plant more trees. More trees. Okay. Then I repeat again. Number 1, our earth is triangular in shape. Our earth is round in shape. Next, number 2, the earth is also called a blue planet. The earth. Number 3, we must not take care of earth. Answer is, we must take care of earth. Next, number 4, do not plant trees and plant more trees. Completed. Okay. Oviru, very good. Devapriya, very good. Next, doing time. Okay, make a poster on taking care of your earth. Okay. Next, number B, draw the earth and color it. Okay, draw this picture. Okay, and color it green or blue. Okay, and make a poster on taking of our earth, taking care of our earth. Make a poster like say no to plastic bags. Okay, or yes, Pausik, very good pa. And next, conserve wood. So this topic and make a poster. And next, number B, draw the earth and color it. These two topics, your homework, you will complete these two work in your home. Okay, and next classes you will submit these two work. Okay. So today now time is over, and next classes we will start our new chapter. Okay, and who are present, response